Thanks for watching this Tech to Connect video tutorial. The topic of this tutorial is buttons on your iPad. While your iPad is mainly controlled by using the gestures on the touch screen, there are a few physical buttons on the device that are very important. First, we'll talk about the home button. The home button is down here. Please note, not all iPads have a home button. First, I'll show you what the home button is used for. Later, I'll show you how to do these same functions if your iPad does not have a home button. If your iPad is locked, you can use the home button to wake up the screen. You can then use the home button again to unlock the device. You may need to input your passcode first. If you set up Finger ID, you can also place your finger over the home button to use your unique fingerprint to unlock the device rather than inputting your password. If you're using an app, the home button can be used to take you out of that app and back to your home screen. If you quickly double tap the home button, you can see all of your recently used apps and switch between apps, like this. If your iPad does not have a home button, like this iPad Pro, you can still do all of the same things I just showed you. You'll just need to use different gestures. To wake your iPad up when it is asleep, simply tap the home screen, and then swipe up from the bottom of the screen with one finger. Again, you'll need to input your passcode if you have one. To leave an app and return to your home screen, again, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen. To switch between recently used apps, you'll swipe up from the bottom of the screen slowly until you feel a vibration under your finger and you see your recent apps appear on the screen. The SleepWake button is used to lock and unlock your device. This is also sometimes called putting your device to sleep and waking it up, hence the name SleepWake button. It's found on the top right-hand edge of your iPad. Press it once to put your device to sleep or to lock it. Press it again to wake your device up. You'll need to input your passcode to fully unlock your device. The volume buttons are typically found on the upper side of the right edge of the device. If they're not there, check the left edge. Mine are over here on the right. These are the volume controls. These control the device's audio output. If you want your device to be louder, turn the volume up by pressing on the top button. When you adjust the volume, you will see a volume level indicator on the screen telling you the volume level. If you want to turn that volume down, press that bottom volume button. Finally, let's talk for a minute about gestures. As you've learned from this video, the physical buttons on the iPad only serve a few functions. For most of the things that you'll want to do on your iPad, you will need to use gestures or specific hand motions used to interact with the device and manipulate on-screen objects. Gestures include things like tap, swipe, blick, and so on. To learn more about gestures, please watch our video called iPad Gestures. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out the rest of our video tutorials on the Tech to Connect website.